senior secondary boarding school. Here I am going to explain how to represent a number on an abacus. Here each stick represents a spike and each star and each disc represents a bead. These are the spikes. This is 1 spike, this is 10 spike, 100 spike, 1000 spike and 10,000 spike. I will represent two numbers on this abacus. The first number is a 5 digits and the number is 56,789. Now I will represent this number on the abacus. As in ones place the digit is 9. So I have put 9 stars in 1 spike. In tens place the digit is 8. So I have put 8 stars in 10 spike. In hundreds place the digit is 7. So I have put 7 stars in 100 spike. In thousands place the digit is 6. So I have put 6 stars in 1000 spike. And in 10,000 place the digit is 5. So I have put 5 stars in 10,000 spike. Now let's move on to the next number. The second number is a 4 digits and the number is 3003. Now I will represent this number on the abacus. As in ones place the digit is 3. So I have put 3 discs in 1 spike. In tens place the digit is 0. So there will be no discs in tens spike. In hundreds place also the digit is 0. So there will be no discs in 100 spike also. And in thousands place the digit is 3. So I have put 3 discs in 1000 spike. Thank you.